Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Netflix movies and TV shows directly from your laptop or your PC so you can watch your favorite content offline anytime, anywhere. Now, the first thing you need to know is that you can't download Netflix content directly through a web browser, but don't worry, it's super simple to do with the Netflix app. Here's how. Install the Netflix app. Start by clicking on the Start menu on your computer and typing in Microsoft Store. Open up the store and in the search bar, type Netflix. You'll see the official Netflix app pop up. Go ahead and click on it. Once the app page loads, hit the Get or Install button. This will start the installation process. When it's done, click Open to launch the Netflix app. Now simply sign into your Netflix account using your credentials. Once logged in, you can browse for any movie or TV show you want. To find content that's available for download, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner and select Available for Download. This will show you everything you can save to your laptop. To download something, just click on the movie or show you want. For TV shows, you'll need to pick individual episodes. You'll see a download icon next to each one. Select it and the download will begin. To access your downloaded content, just click the menu again and select My Downloads from the top. Your offline content will be ready to watch whenever you need it. And that's it. Now you can enjoy Netflix offline on your laptop. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy tutorials. See you in the next one. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.